Hello friends, this is a short tutorial how to restore old alcantara. I will use this part of the seat which is pretty worn out and pretty old, so that you can see the result even better. So what do you need to restore your old alcantara? A bottle of Coca-Cola, a boxing handshoe for your right hand, and you need a dog. Okay, let's stop making jokes. You need a vacuum cleaner, a non-woven roll 1000 grit, a 2000 grit sanding paper, and the lint cutter of your grandma. So what I showed you right now is the classical DIY you can find on YouTube to restore your alcantara seats. And guys, to be honest, this still looks shit, you know? For the really old and hard parts, I use this 1000 grit. You see where we have these very hard parts here. Just go shortly over it to get it loose. And the next step, 2000 grit grinding paper. And this takes time, guys. This is not finished in 1 minute. So after 2 minutes of grinding for this area, you already can see the difference. Not grinded with a 1000 and 2000. Grinded with a 1000 and a 2000. So I think the difference you can see, this is with the lint cutter. Still not very beautiful, many big points left. This is with the sanding paper, you see. It's a big difference. A combination of both techniques is the best. So after you finish with a 2000 grit, take the lint cutter. I think this is the perfect result. This is not perfect because not grinded. So the job is take a 1000 only for the very big parts, like you have here. These very worn out places, shortly with the 1000, then do the whole area with the 2000 grit, and after all you can use the lint cutter. You sit right beside me and fart twice. Yeah. Or do you do it a third time? Don't fart again, man.